What's up guys, Carlos here from Ungeek, and today we're exploring the HUAWEI Service Giving season. With this, your HUAWEI device can get extra care alongside various freebies, perfect for the holiday season. The HUAWEI Service Giving season has offers that make repairs hassle-free and easy on the wallet. This helps users who are worried about expensive, out-of-warranty repairs eating into their budget. What's more, the offer also guarantees top-notch service quality, plus it features discounts on accessories. Great news for those who want great deals. Finally, HUAWEI's offering features 3 hassle-free ways for device repairs. The HUAWEI Service Giving season is an awesome match if you're planning to splurge on or recently purchased a flagship like the HUAWEI Pura 80. This is HUAWEI's latest flagship smartphone that features a 1.5M spectral channels Ultra Chroma X-Mage camera lens. Thanks to its Ultra Chroma X-Mage camera lens, the HUAWEI Pura 80 perfectly captures breathtaking color accuracy. Just look at these samples. As you can see in the samples, photos and videos are clear, with great colors and lots of detail. Thanks to the Pura 80's X-Mage Ultra Chroma camera, your Christmas photos are vivid in the daytime or at night. Whether you have this phone or if you have any other HUAWEI devices, you can get the care that it needs this holiday season. This holiday season, HUAWEI is giving the gift of excellent customer service, even after sales. And that's all thanks to the HUAWEI Service Giving season. This is an annual offering from HUAWEI available now until December 31 at all HUAWEI authorized service centers nationwide. It features after-sales benefits designed to make device care more rewarding and worry-free. During the promo period, customers can enjoy 5 exclusive benefits. Here's a quick rundown. First, HUAWEI users can get free labor charges for out-of-warranty repairs, with savings of 500 pesos on phone and wearable repairs, 600 pesos on tablet repairs, and 900 pesos on laptop repairs. Note that each device can only get free labor once during the campaign. Plus, customers will need to cover the cost of parts based on the repair quotation. Thankfully, spare parts have discounts, which we'll get to a bit later. Next up, any smartphone or wearable that gets repaired during the promo period will get a free screen protector, giving the device extra protection. This screen protector will be added to the device at any HUAWEI authorized service center, and each device is eligible for this offer one time during the promo. Aside from a screen protector, each repair will come with your choice of an array of complimentary gift items. To be exact, users can choose from selected charging cables or charging adapters at participating HUAWEI authorized service centers. HUAWEI is also offering discounts on select spare parts for repairs, meaning you don't have to spend much. Specifically, you can get up to 20% spare parts discount, making it easier and more affordable to repair your device. Finally, HUAWEI is offering discounts on a wide array of accessories. These include discounts on official charging cables, along with adapters for phones, tablets, and laptops. These discounts are available at participating HUAWEI service centers. To top it all off, HUAWEI is offering 3 hassle-free ways to avail of device repairs. First, you can simply visit your nearest HUAWEI authorized service center. You can check the nearest one to you by visiting the official HUAWEI website. Next, you can make an appointment online for your repair. A great option for users who want to schedule a specific time and date for their repair. Making an appointment can be done via the HUAWEI support website. Though remember to back up your data first. Finally, HUAWEI is offering a free postal repair option. With this, you can send your device via postal service, and it's completely free of charge. You can apply for postal repair via the HUAWEI website. With the Huawei Service Giving season, buyers can get great deals, courtesy of waived labor charges and up to 20% discounts on selected spare parts. Plus, the discounts on accessories and a free screen protector, plus other gifts, are great holiday bonuses. The Huawei Service Giving season is available now until December 31, 2025. For more details or for more personalized service options, you can contact Huawei via its official customer service numbers or by contacting the official Huawei Facebook Messenger. And that's it for Huawei's holiday promo. Again, my name is Carlos from UnGeek, and I wish you all a very happy holidays.